Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the server stumbled error code 0x80131500 in Windows Store. So while you are on your Microsoft Store and you encounter this error server stumbled error code 0x80131500, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is we need to search for run in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now the run window will appear. Type here ws reset.exe. So when you click on OK, this will clear the Microsoft Store cache and this will also bring up and open the Microsoft Store for you. So once the Windows Store is opened, you just have to simply search for your favorite apps, games, movies, and more right here. And then for the next method, in the Windows search bar, type services. Click on it under the best match. Now let's simply scroll down to W and look for the Windows Update service. This one, make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. Click on Start. Click on Apply and then OK. And then close this. Then again, search for Run in the Windows search bar. Click on it. Type here ncpa.cpl. It's ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Now this window will appear, the network connections window. You simply look for the connection that you are connected to. It could be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Just make a right click, select Properties. Wi-Fi properties will be up. Click on the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Then you have here use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. This is the Google's DNS server. For the alternate, type here 8.8.4.4 and click on OK. And then close this Windows. Then you also need to make sure that you are in a current correct date and time. You can check that here in the bottom right corner. If you are in a current correct date and time, you need to make sure of that. Then we can also run the SFC scan to scan for and repair system corrupt files through the command prompt. So in the Windows search bar, type cmd best match command prompt, but do not click on that right away because the command that we are going to run will not work. But on the right pane, click on run as administrator. Then here, just simply type sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now, hit enter. Now this process will take some time, so we are just going to wait for this. So once this is done, so if the process will goes up to 100%, what we're going to do is just need to type exit, or you can just simply close the window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after that, launch the Microsoft Store and continue downloading your favorite apps, games, and movies. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.